Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain YNAB set-aside versus refill features. We'll dive into how each one works and when to use them to keep your budget perfectly aligned with your financial goals. Understanding these distinct functions is crucial for effective money management. Mastering these tools will significantly enhance your budgeting experience and help you achieve your financial objectives with greater ease. The set-aside feature in YNAB is like putting money into a temporary savings jar within your budget. It takes funds out of a specific category, reducing its available balance, and holds them for future allocation. This action ensures those funds are protected from accidental spending. This is perfect for money you want to earmark but not immediately assign elsewhere, giving you greater control.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more budgeting tips. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a fresh ride. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Conversely, refill brings those set-aside funds back into active use. When you refill a category, the money returns, increasing its available balance and making it available for spending. This action is ideal when you're ready to spend those previously earmarked funds, making them accessible again for their intended purpose and keeping your budget flexible. So, when should you use each? Set aside is excellent for money you want to protect from accidental spending, like a future down payment or an emergency fund. It keeps those funds safe until needed. Refill is for when that future need arrives, allowing you to easily access those funds without disrupting your overall budget and maintaining your financial flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.